Hey everyone, this is Justin Bennett from TurboBeads here to satisfy your creative needs. For those who are new to the channel, here we have a variety of bead tutorials and other bead related content. So if this is something that interests you, be sure to subscribe if you want to be notified for more videos just like this one. So recently I reached out to the Beadery.com and they were kind enough to send me some beads to review just for you. Let's check these out. Starting off with the first impressions of these beads is the packaging. As we can see, the brand of the beads are here at the top. This is the Neon Mix 9mm Pony Beads Value Pack made by the Beadery. Honestly, I must say that the packaging of these beads is pretty nice, as you can see right away what colors are inside and all of the contents sealed inside, not having to worry about the loss of beads during transport. As I should mention that all of these beads are made here in the USA in the state of Rhode Island, as all their products have passed American safety standards as well and are safe to use. With a brand that takes pride on high quality color and consistent beads, let's get a closer look and see what's truly inside. With a closer look, it's clear to see that these beads are truly vibrant in color consistency. With this observation, so far I'm impressed with the amount of beads and colors that come in this value pack. The Neon Mix is available on their website, that's thebeadery.com. And also, black and white beads can be bought separately on the website as well. So here are all the colors that come inside the Neon Mix value pack, along with a mix of black and white beads as well. With a comparison of each bead and color, I'll agree that the Beadery's beads are pretty consistent in color, size, and shape, a quality that's very important when it comes to every bead creation. As we observe, these beads have a smooth texture and a nice polish. As we go into an in-depth look, you can see the seam in the middle of the bead that almost looks seamless. Of course, beads can always look nice at first glance, but it's only half the creation. Let's find out how well these beads measure up when it comes to overall performance. Will they hold up to the high quality standards? So far, everything is still good. As you can see, the consistent size of each bead, as mentioned before, will definitely help a bead creation look great, as each bead will lock into place. Let's go with another creation and see how well these beads will stack up when it comes to durability. After making a 3D cube, these beads seem to be pretty durable, as they can definitely withstand the strength of the fishing line and stay together without breaking any beads just yet. But another important test awaits, which is probably the most common question: are these beads built for comfort? Let's create something to wear and share and find out. With a simple single bracelet created, there isn't much to complain about when it comes to wear. As mentioned before, these beads have a smooth texture and shouldn't irritate the skin. As we all know that not all beads are made perfect, but can these beads be a true all-star? As for my final thoughts of these beads, honestly, I really do think they're great, as these beads are pretty durable, have consistency with size, shape, and color, plus a vibrant look and a smooth feel. With my opinion, I would definitely recommend giving these beads a try, as you can check out the Beadery's website and everything they have to offer. With a business that's been around for over 80 years, since 1932, these beads can be in your hands. It's entirely up to you. Thanks for watching.